In today's world, crime is getting smarter, faster, and more shocking. This video shows a man walking into a phone store as if he's a genuine customer. But what he does next is a masterclass in deception. With calm confidence and a well-planned trick, he steals two expensive phones right under the noses of the shop attendants, without force, without panic, and without paying a single naira. This incident is not just a story, it's a warning to business owners, shoppers, and the public. Omo, nothing we no go see for this country. Omo, this is really shocking. So this CCTV footage captures a shocking but well-calculated act of theft. A suspect, a man well-dressed, or we could say casually dressed, and acting confidently, walked into the store pretending to be a serious buyer. He spent a few minutes checking out different phones, models, and asking questions, giving the impression of someone ready to make a purchase. The store attendant, who had seen many customers like this, did not suspect anything unusual. But while pretending to make his choice, the man brought out an empty carton, supposedly to properly keep the phones and seal it for security purpose. With incredible speed and technique, he was just trying to put all kinds of distractions. He placed the two expensive phones inside the carton, pretending to seal it for security purpose, like I said. They opened a tiny hole, like we can see on this video, on the side of the carton. Just enough to secretly remove both phones and slip them into a small bag he brought with him. Yes, he took them into his small bag. To avoid suspicion, he started pretending to make a phone call. A moment later, he calmly walked out of the store with the two stolen phones hidden in his bag, leaving the empty carton behind. The staff only realized what happened after he had gone. Yes, the worst has happened. So, why this crime matters? This incident is disturbing because the thief used no force, only manipulation and distraction. It exposes the loopholes in many shops without tight security system. It shows how far criminals can go when they study a shop's weaknesses. Many businesses in Nigeria and beyond are losing millions to similar tricks. So what are the lessons for us as shop owners, or business owners and shoppers? Always have CCTV camera covering every corner. Never leave customers unsupervised with high-value items. Keep display units secured until payment is complete. Let this be a reminder that crime is becoming more intelligent and we must become more vigilant. If you own a shop or work in one, please share this video. It might save someone from becoming the next victim. If you find this interesting, please subscribe, turn on that notification bell so that whenever we drop any true crime videos, you'll be the first to see it. Until we come your way next time, please stay safe and be security conscious.
See, he has finally left. He will never come back again. And this guy will be thinking that those mobile phones are in those boxes, without knowing that it was an empty box that was left there. This one will work well. Be very vigilant. Be very watchful. Be very careful. Observe this kind of movements and this kind of people anytime they enter your business place. This is a very good lesson for everyone out there. If you want to learn, you learn. If you don't want to learn, continue being so open, being so free, being so careless in your business place until this happens to you. Oh, may we not experience this kind of people in our business places. May we not experience this kind of people in our hustle places. Omo, this is an eye-opener for everyone. Share this video so that other people will see it and learn from this. Thank you.